Hey everybody, this is the World Champ Sports Card. This is the Raz video for this 2018 Bowman High Tech Prospect Circuit Board card, Luis Robert, and it's a BGS 9.5. So let's get this rolling. Let's mark this live. And we are live Thursday, March 19, 2020 at 10:32. As you can see, it's 10:32 Chicago time. We'll grab the 10 names. We'll drop them in the randomizer. All right, we're going to roll the dice. Has to be 5 or higher. We're going to go 6 times. Let's give this away. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And final round. Name on top. We'll get this Robert, BGS 95. And the winner is Chris N in the 9th spot. So there you have it, guys. Let's go mark this done. And we are done. 10:33. 10:33. And that was Chris N in the 9th spot. Thanks, guys. I do appreciate it. We have a Robert. I'm going to put this up. Robert Auto. Bowman High Tech Auto. That's going up next. Thanks, guys. Do appreciate it.